How music can change your mood. Music is one of the most powerful things in our lives, and it can quickly change the way we feel. When you listen to a happy song, it can make you smile and feel full of energy. A slow and calm song can help you relax after a long and stressful day. Scientists say that music affects the brain and releases chemicals that make us feel emotions. This is why we sometimes cry when we hear a sad song or dance when we hear a fun one. Music has the ability to touch our hearts in a way that words cannot. Many people use music as a way to control their mood every day. For example, they listen to soft music before going to sleep or energetic music when they need motivation. Students often play music while studying because it helps them focus or feel calm. Even athletes use music to get energy before a game or training. Music can also bring back memories from the past, reminding us of people, places, or moments we love. No matter the type of song, music always has the power to change how we feel. Different kinds of music can create different emotions in people. Classical music can make us feel peaceful and thoughtful, while pop music can make us want to sing and dance. Rock music can give us strength and confidence, while sad songs can help us understand our emotions better. People in every culture around the world use music to celebrate, heal, and connect with others. It is a universal language that everyone can understand. Through music, we can express feelings that are sometimes hard to say with words. In the end, music is not just sound, it is a part of who we are. It connects our hearts and minds and helps us understand our emotions. Whether we are happy, sad, angry, or tired, music can help us find balance again. It can make a bad day feel better or turn a simple moment into something special. That is why many people say music is like medicine for the soul. So next time you need to change your mood, just put on your favorite song and let the music do the magic. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more.